So far, in fact, in Sanskrit it is also said, Dhamadhamam bhayam nasti, Kaya kuyam cha madhyamam, Thassakaram mahaghoram, Shantim pranasankatam. That means if you are farting with big sounds, you are healthy. Okay, if you are farting with tss, 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 then there is some problem. If you are farting once in a while, kach kuch, which generally happens in office, there is major problem. And if you don't fart, then basically you got a life's problem. Yeah? It's life-threatening situation. You don't flatulate. It is a life-threatening situation, which is basically the CNG. नहीं, निकलता नहीं है. निकलता है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. निकलता शांति इज इट इज हैपनिंग, बट नो साउंड, नथिंग इज हैपनिंग. हाँ, yes, possible. Okay. So now, yeah. No, didn't get you.
When you do that sound, which is coming from
Yeah. Belching. Yeah. Belching is upper stomach. So it has not gone inside. It is the air basically which you have eaten when you are eating anything. Or for example, when you are drinking water. Nowadays we all drink water with bottle. मुंह को bottle लगाते हैं and we drink. So actually what has to happen is air has to come out from the body, and in that place water has to go in. Yeah, basic physics. But what happens is you have got mouth closed, mouth on the bottle, so directly only the water is going in and air has not had any place to come out. So after you drink that whole water, 500 ml, the stomach is full. It has got air also, it has got water also. Earlier it only had air. And then what will happen? You will belch. Or you eat like dogs you see on the road. They eat. If you go to hotels and all, you will see so many people that way. Gulping down. Yes, school children also. Yes, gulping down. Then the air has not had any time to come out. Only when your action of the mouth stops, you just relax little bit, that time it will belch. Pardon? You should not gulp it down. Take a glass, drink sip by sip. Then, when you are drinking sip by sip, what is going to happen is slowly it is going in and something is coming out. It should have a gap. In fact, that is why in yoga they say khana piyo or pani khao. Pani khao means you eat it slowly. That means you should move your mouth when you are drinking. When you move the mouth, the food pipe also is going to move. The body is going to move and the air will have sufficient place to come out. That doesn't happen. We gulp it in. That's why this. But at the same time, in general, this problem is not big. Okay, it is not life-threatening, or it is nothing to. ठीक है, होता है. ठीक. Have I answered your question? Okay. The second part is life-threatening, where the gas is in the stomach and it has no place to go. That is the time it is like a cycle tube, which keeps getting inflated. But the cycle tube is inside your stomach. So your stomach gets inflated like a cycle tube. अपने पेट्रोल पंप पे प्रेशर भरते हैं ना, वैसा. और उसके बाद में क्या होगा? Because all the organs are close nearby, situated nearby. Your stomach is very close to your lungs, very close to your heart. So it is going to pressurize one the other. So if it is pressurizes or it presses down on the lungs, you are going to breathe shallow. ऐसा करके बैठ जाएंगे. Or if it loads your heart, then you are going to have something like palpitation. You will feel afraid. You will feel out of breath. ये होता है कभी कभी. खाना बहुत ज़्यादा होने के बाद after you eat a lot of food, this is the thing that happens, right? Okay, so that is the part which is problematic. So जो संस्कृत में भी जो श्लोक है वो वैसा ही है. So if you are making a lot of noise, no problem. If you are not making a lot of noise, there could be some problem.
रोकना भी नहीं चाहिए.
रोकना भी नहीं चाहिए. Yes.
Air cannot come from the intestine. It comes from the stomach.
It cannot come from the intestine. No, it cannot come.
I feel my air is coming from the intestine.
There could be some other problem. Yeah, yes. Okay.
The stomach is here.
No, intestine also is there.
There.
It is all closed. Stomach is here. If you see the earlier this one, see the brownish one is the stomach.
Here.
Yeah, and just below it is the intestine. Okay. Okay. Now, how do you cure it, or how do you control it? One is your lifestyle. Yeah, you should be sitting in the right position, not too tight, not too slack. Sit in the right position. Most of us, many times they sit like this. When they sit like this is an invitation for gas creation, because your intestine and stomach and everything is compressed below. And the lifestyle also is sedentary, sitting around. You don't move. If you don't move, the gas will be created, fermented food will be there, the stomach will not throw it out in time, and gas trouble will be there. All this we are talking about the second part only, the compressed natural gas. The first part and the last part we are not talking about. Yeah. Then it is nature. That means you should eat food which is congruent to your sun sign. Yeah, I have already given a lecture on sun signs and what food everybody should eat as per their nature. Whether your nature is Vata, Pitta, Kapha, whether your nature is Aries oriented, whether your nature is Taurus oriented, whether your nature is Gemini oriented. Based on that, if you eat the food that helps you, in that case, then the gas creation will not be there. Because whatever is utilized, whatever is created is utilized properly. ठीक है? Lastly, it is the age. Sometimes a lot of abuses our body takes up just because we are young. So sometimes we might be abusing our body with various foods. Some people come to me and they say, अभी तक तो ऐसा ही किया था, गए 50 साल से ऐसा ही करता हूँ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, अभी प्रॉब्लम चालू हो गया. Because now the body had a problem always, but body being young, it kept on taking care of that. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, ठीक है, देख लेते हैं, देख लेते हैं. अभी बॉडी बोलती है तू देख ले. हाँ, the ball is in other court. Yes, you take care of it now. Yeah. So suddenly the person feels that last year तो मैंने इतना खाया, अभी मेरे को last year तक तो मैं 20 आम एक बार खाता था, अभी क्यों नहीं? तो this is the problem. That body has basically given up. Body said मैंने समझाया बहुत, rejected. Body ने बोला मैं समझाया बहुत, समझाया कुछ हुआ नहीं, कुछ कर ना पाया, अभी तो तेरा देख. ठीक है? So that is the age factor. Now another remedy here is very easy, based on palmistry. Yeah, based on palmistry you will see that this is Vrushchik and this is Aries. Vrushchik is Scorpio, and this is the one that you will see is related to Virgo. Virgo shows your intestines. Virgo shows intestines. This shows genital organs. This shows the head, and this is the area which this is Aquarius. Okay. So whenever you have gas trouble of the second type that we talked about, you should pressure the center of the palm. Just pressure the center of the palm, or take a stone or some round object which will of this height or this size, and keep pressing it at the center of the palm. Any hand, yeah, both hands. If you have got a round object, then you can press both hands. If you don't have a round object, then you should press the center of the palm.
Marble is the best.
Yeah, marble is the best. Yes.
Any hand.
Any hand, any hand. Generally what happens is left hand, for the right hander, left hand is more sensitive. And secondly, if you want to press a hand, your right hand is going to be able to press it stronger or press it more. So generally people will use left hand, but it can be any hand, and as he said, you can use a marble and do like this. immediately after lunch, immediately after dinner. If you are used to having this kind of problems, then you can do this. These are very easy remedies that you can have. Okay, then secondly, another remedy is direct the flow. See, many times what happens, you should eat fruit first. We generally eat fruit.
No,
That is wrong. Why is wrong?
because fermentation takes place and you're
Yeah.
only getting fermented.
Yes.
You're not getting any value.
No, that is not the reason. Okay.
Easily digested.
Yes. What is easily digested? See, what happens is, let's see what happens if the way we do it now. We eat rice and chapati and everything, which is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates get digested slowly. Now in stomach, what is going to happen is, first we have got the carbohydrates, then we are eating fruits,
It will wait.
which is basically sugar and other vitamins, etc., etc. But the fruits are going to get digested faster. But because it is behind the carbohydrates, it does not go further. Okay, it will get fermented. The fruits get fermented faster. So one thing, you are not getting nutrition from them, and secondly, it is causing problem.
It is not.
It is causing problem. Because of fermentation there is gas. So what you should do, see the other cycle, that you eat the fruit first, it gets digested fast, you get the energy, the sugars and vitamins and etc. It goes through the intestinal system, and then the carbohydrates go slowly. ठीक है? So
Which goes more slowly, carbohydrate or protein?
carbohydrates, no, carbohydrates and protein go together. Proteins are faster than carbohydrates. Carbohydrates give the energy slowly, but as far as fruit is concerned, fruit is almost 60%, 70% water. Rest is trace minerals, vitamins, etc., etc.
10 minutes, 15 minutes.
Very good question. Most of the people know the answer here. It takes from -1 minute to 20 years.
20?
Years.
You digest fruit.
Digest food.
No fruit.
Depends on the fruit. Yes.
And fruit 20 years. -1 to 20.
No. Food, I said food.
Yeah, minus.
Yeah. Yes.
Why 20?
-1 minute to plus 20 years.
Why 20?
It remains in the stomach. You ask the intestinal surgeons, they will tell you, you can find hair, you can find some other objects which have been ingested in childhood, when the operation is done at the age of 40. It just remains within the folds of the stomach, doesn't get digested, just remains there. Okay? And why, the important question would have been, why -1?
Does it cause any injection?
No. Body is extremely capable.
But how to remove that now? Hair and
Why to remove?
Huh?
Why air?
Undo the hair and
Why to remove? Let it be. It is not causing problem.
But it is there.
It is there. Let it be. You can go in for panchakarma and stuff like that. A number of things are there. They have lots of shuddhi kriya and stuff like that. Shuddhi. Upvas also helps. Yes. Any type of cleansing. Hydrotherapy also is there. Upavas. Upavas is not eating any food. And then hydrotherapy is drinking a lot of water. So the whole system is basically full of water. Then there is also enema and so many other things. There are number of things which are there for cleaning up the system or taking out poisons from the system. Yeah.
Salt water also? Hot water with lemon.
Yeah.
Since we food first, it is right. It is given in one of the paper of the article stuff.
Yeah.
But then you mention that also, after 10-15 minutes you should have your lunch. Immediately after eating food, what happens?
Yeah.
Get into the texture of the skin also.
No, just look at the mechanical part. How much is your stomach? Your stomach is at least 2 मुट्ठी. इतना बड़ा stomach है.
वो इतना ही है.
हाँ, इतना ही नहीं, इतना है. Okay. So what is going to happen is, when you eat fruit, and immediately that is what it is going to be this much maybe, or it could be even less than that.
Stomach is
Only half stomach is full.
yeah, right.
So then you eat carbohydrate immediately. I mean, as soon as the fruit goes in, the stomach will start moving. It will try to move it forward. But then you put carbohydrates into that. So stomach will move that also. ट्रैफिक जाम हो ही गया. अभी अल्टो गाड़ी निकली नहीं तो उसके पीछे बस लगा दो आप. तो ट्रैफिक जाम हो जाएगा ना.
Better to wait for some time after eating.
Yeah.
Much better.
Yes, absolutely. half an hour gap has to be there between two foods.
Raw vegetables.
Yeah. Huh?
The raw vegetable anytime.
Anytime. Yeah.
Not before.
No, you should not be mixing these two. The fruits, raw vegetables, and carbohydrates and other things should be eaten at different times. Half an hour each. Yes.
Everything become mixed in this, it become khichdi in this.
Yes, exactly. Even it becomes khichdi, the stomach is able to segregate it. But it takes more time. It takes much more time than what is normally, and because it has got more time, the fermentation will happen, and because we don't move around, that gas will be created in the stomach and the stomach will be bloated.
You have to move around.
Yeah, yes.
So when you're eating carbohydrates and protein together, you're chewing the food. Now
Yeah.
the carbohydrate and protein, they're becoming one.
Yeah,
Now when it goes in the stomach,
Yeah.
how can the stomach digest? The stomach digests protein.
huh.
Carbohydrate digested in the intestine.
Yeah.
So how does it separate it out?
Okay, interesting question. This was actually a mystery till maybe 10 years back. What has been found is the stomach has cells which are similar to brain cells. These are the these are the scientists which have come out with this. So stomach knows how to segregate and how to eat. It basically knows, stomach in the sense stomach, intestine, whatever, the overall internal faculty, they have got their own intelligence to understand this and segregate. Otherwise, had we eaten Shrikhanda Puri, we would have a big problem. The kind of food that we eat, mix it all. Yeah, it is only a question of time. Sometimes it takes more time. Right? Question and answers, let's, yeah, right?
-1 you are saying
-1 because the activity of digestion starts the moment you have the smell of the food. The moment you have smell, actually the body is getting ready for digestion. So actual process of digestion starts the moment you have smell, and that's why I said it is -1 minute where the process starts. Okay, of course, yeah, do not mix contrasting foods like Shrikhand Puri नहीं खाना चाहिए. एक कंप्लीट कर लेते.
Will that be contrasted?
That is what I am saying. Shrikhand Puri is a contrast. Fruit and chapati is a contrast. These are the foods which don't go together. Carbohydrates and proteins don't go together. Carbohydrates and sugars don't go together. So don't eat carbohydrates and fruits don't go together. So
Carbohydrate and sugar don't go together.
don't go together. So don't eat foods which are contrasting, because जो contrast होके जो अंदर जाएगा, that will be more difficult to digest.
What about khatta and bitter?
There are number of categories which you are not taking in this lecture. Yeah, and then Vata, Pitta, Kapha. These are your natures. Some people would have Vata, some people would have Pitta, some people would have Kapha. Out of these people who are Vata, they face the gas trouble of the last type. Those who have got Kapha, the first type, and Pitta of the second type. Yeah, Pitta happens in the stomach, so they will have trouble with that. We go to the next. So simple remedies, if you do these, more than enough. Drink water first thing in the morning, at least 500 ml. This cleanses the system and does not allow any gas to create.
5 grams?
One bottle, 500 ml. Nowadays bottle is there. Breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, dinner like a pauper. So you can have as heavy a breakfast as you like. Yes, as heavy a breakfast as you like. Light lunch and possibly no dinner or very little dinner. Yeah. Okay, at least 3 times visit the toilet and sit in Indian style. Because this is something where your stomach and intestine gets loaded with your knees. And this is the best way to get rid of gas. So even if you don't feel like going to toilet, go there 3 times, sit there and sit in this position. Automatically the gas will come out and it will not bloat your stomach. Yeah? ठीक है. Sit on the see, nowadays what happens is many people don't have this. Many people have this English toilet only. This is one of the creation of today's type. Then take food to suit your prakriti. That is Vata, Pitta, Kapha. जो भी आपकी प्रकृति है, depending on that, and massage palms at sensitive points. Sensitive points is this. This is the major sensitive point in general. but depending on your sun sign, the sensitive points, additional specific sensitive points will change based on your palm history or based on your own sun sign, your astrological chart, your nature, etc. etc. ठीक है? So that has to be done individually. This is something general. For general, everybody, the intestine lies here or the stomach lies at the center of the palm. Okay. Go ahead and spread the knowledge. Thank you very much. Okay. If there are any questions.